Today, I'll be showing you how to connect or pair your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro to an Android phone. Now, this is basically an Android phone that isn't a OnePlus or an Oppo device, any other Android phone other than those. So, to do that, all you have to do is simply put your earbuds in pairing mode. So, to do that, simply open the case just like that. And if this LED button does not start flashing white immediately, all you need to do with the case open is simply press this button at the bottom here. So press it for 2 seconds until this light starts flashing white. So press and hold. And once that light starts flashing white just like that, simply let it go. And you may or may not see a pop-up like this one on your Android device. So you can simply tap on connect if you do see that pop-up, or if you don't see it, simply go into settings, tap on settings, and then under settings you want to select connected devices or Bluetooth, whatever option you see on your device. So simply go to connections, connections. And then under connections, you want to tap on Bluetooth. And the first thing to do is ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. Now, once Bluetooth is turned on and it starts scanning for devices, it should detect your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. So tap on them, just like that. And you're going to get a prompt to pair your earbuds. So simply tap on pair. And just like that, your earbuds are now connected to your Android device. And now you can take them out, just like that, and start using them for audio or consuming media from your Android phone. And that's basically how to connect or pair your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro to an Android phone. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.